I mean, he really did his homework. He read the mission and vision. He read the goals, and he included it in his presentation. It didn't feel butchered. It felt like it was a natural part of who he was and what he was doing. And so I'm so very thankful for you coming to the school and really embracing the staff and feeling the energy and talking about team diseases and everything that I have wanted to say. Some things I've said, but things that I have not said, you were able to say it in such energy and such life, and really say to them, listen, you make an impact, you have to care. I love how you defined what I-C.A.R.E means and how you took them through that process and asked them questions about it, actually had them to identify a staff member that they felt brought impact. I wish I had more time. I do understand why you say, man, this is a 4-hour workshop, because it is, and I saw it where it was getting and digging into those areas that are deep. I always say that it's always underneath. You know, when you think about an iceberg, it's what's underneath that will destroy a ship. And so I saw that you were really working on the bottom of that iceberg, chipping away. So I appreciate it. Thank you. Definitely will have you again.